What's going on, family? So I just got it painted, letting it dry now. This is my welding booth positional stand. So I've been getting everything together. Turned out pretty good. So came up with a new product today. I actually like the way I designed this. This is pretty cool with how it works. So the goal is to multitask and use everything that I have to be able to provide products and services. This is a product and a service. So with this one, I'm excited about this one because I found an idea and I made it my own. And I think that's what we do. We find what we want and we make it and get our hog on. Black Feniks.